Once again, I will explain today whatever class yesterday we discussed again. Like this here, two carbons are there C, here X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. Three groups are there. So here rotation about carbon-carbon single bond, then we'll get conformational isomers. So how many isomers are we'll get here? Infinity number of rotations are possible, Nana. Rotation about carbon-carbon single bond. Here about carbon-carbon double bond, about carbon-carbon triple bond, rotation is not there. Rotation is hindered, hindrance, obstruct. So here there is a problem to rotate about double bond, triple bond. That's why conformation means about single bond, rotation about single bond. Okay, Nana? How many rotation means infinity number of rotation possible. I told you one carbon front, other one. Assume this is how to take front side carbon. Assume this is the back side carbon. Okay. Now carefully observe. If front side carbon is there, no, I am writing as a point. This is front side carbon. What are the groups here? X, Y, Z. Again I am writing here X, Y, Z. Three groups are there, front side. These all are visible. Now back side carbon is there. I told you back side means you have to take circle here. This is meaning back side carbon. Back side carbon. So here this is there. This point is a front side carbon. Okay, na? Now on back side carbon hydro here XY. Exactly here X is back of this X. Y is a back of this Y. Z is a back of this. Like this is there. Here small means that is not visible, Nana. Back side I am writing small. We are writing that is not visible. Front only visible. Like this is given. This is called as emankunna manam. Eclipsed form, Nana. Now rotation about here carbon single bond. I am rotating 60 degrees. Front side carbon as it is. Careful ga vinali. Jagrata. What are the groups here? Here X group. Here Y group. Here Z group. Rotate the back side carbon. Back side carbon. Back side carbon. Okay, na? Now in between X and Y angle 120. Here YZ 120, XZ 120. Rotation 60 means actually this side group comes here. This will come 60 degrees. Like this middle. Here Y comes here middle. Z comes here middle. Rotation. So rotation. Then we'll get here X group. Here Y group. Here Z group, Nana. Front side are visible, back side are visible. All are visible. All are visible. Then this is called as what here? Staggered form. One is front, other one are back is called eclipsed form. Back side is not visible. Groups XY not visible, then eclipsed. Here carbon is back, but X, Y, Z are visible. This is called staggered, Nana. In between XX or YY, whatever angle is there, this angle is called as a dihedral angle. How much here? 60 degrees. Dihedral angle, XX dihedral, YY, ZZ. That is a dihedral angle, Nana. If you rotate again, what happened? Rotation. Again, this comes back side of this, rotate 60 degree, back some this is back of this. Back side, front side keep as it is, you rotate back side groups. Then you will get again eclipse nana. Like this here, rotation about carbon-carbon rotation is there. Carbon-carbon rotation is there. We are getting different conformation. Those are called as conformational isomers. Okay, right. Now I'm taking one example. For example, here yesterday I explained, again I'm writing CH, Cl here Br, next CH, Cl, Br nana. So rotation about this carbon-carbon single bond, rotation about this. Like this, whenever you are writing, this is called as what? Newman projection. One is a front, other one back. This representation is called as a Newman projection. Now whatever structure we are writing, these are Newman projection. Assume this is a front side, C is a back, front back. Okay na? Now, so I am taking front side carbon, carefully observe. Front carbon, dot, front carbon. What are the groups here? Here bromine, here chlorine, here hydrogen nana. Now exactly back side carbon, this is back. What are the groups here? HCl, Br, here also same. Now back side, here Br is the back of Br. Cl is back of Cl. Hydrogen is back of hydrogen. Okay na? Br, Br, Cl, ClH. Like this is called as what? Eclipsed. Similar groups are there. Eclipsed form. Now, rotation about carbon-carbon single bond. Rotation about carbon-carbon single bond, nana. Here 60 degrees we have to rotate. Front side carbon you have to take dot. This is front side. What are the groups here on front side carbon? Carefully observe. Front side I am not disturbing. Front side మనం ఏం మార్చట్లేదు నాన్న, యాసిడ్స్ గా ఉంటాయి ఫ్రంట్. Then back side carbon, circle means carbon, back side. Circle means back side carbon. Okay na? What are the back side groups? Rotate 60 degree. Means this is comes in between Br and Cl. Again chlorine comes in between chlorine and hydrogen. Here hydrogen comes in between hydrogen and bromine. Like this form is there. This is called as what? Staggered form. Okay na? So in between Br, what is the dihedral angle? Here 60. With respect to Br, I am writing dihedral angle. How much? 60 degree. Whenever 60 degree is there, this particular form is called as Br in Gaussian form. Gaussian form. So Gaussian, very simple Nana, staggered only, staggered name specially Gaussian form. Remember, again you have to rotate 60 degrees. Rotate 60 degrees Nana. Again I am taking front carbon as it is. Front carbon. What are the groups here? Bromine, here chlorine, here hydrogen as it is. Backside carbon, clear. How much you are rotating? 60 now. 60 means this comes here backside of chlorine. Chlorine comes backside of hydrogen. Hydrogen comes backside of bromine, Nana. Rotation, backside we are rotating. Okay, na? Back. Then what happened here? Here, Br is backside of chlorine. Here, chlorine is back. Here, hydrogen is backside of carbon. Br. Rotation. This is also called as eclipsed form, Nana. Okay, na? What is the angle in between Br? In between Br, how much? 120 degrees. Year to year, 120 degree. So Br diagonal angle is called as 120, Nana. Eclipsed form. Okay, na? Now, again, you have to rotate. Now, once again I am rotating 60 degrees, further rotating 60. After 60, we are isolating those groups. Isolating those groups. Okay, na? Now assume, Nana, front side carbon. Front carbon. Here Br, front chlorine, front side hydrogen. I am not changing as it is. This is the back side carbon. Tell me. What happened? Rotation. Bromine comes here, middle. Chlorine comes here, middle. Hydrogen comes here, 60 degree only. 60 means middle only. That's why here bromine, here chlorine, here hydrogen. Now tell me, bromine angle is how much? Exactly 180. This is a staggered form only, but particularly Br opposite direction. That's why this is called as antiform. Whenever angle, diagonal angle is 180, the name is antiform. Name is antiform, Nana. So here Br2, here Br, angle 180, exactly opposite. The name is called as antiform. Okay, na? Again you can rotate. Here like this, after rotation, whatever you are getting, those are called as conformations. Okay, na? Here front side carbon, you know, here Cl, here Br, here hydrogen as it is. Then you take here back side carbon. 60 means here hydrogen comes backside of chlorine, bromine comes backside of hydrogen, chlorine comes backside of bromine. Then you have to write here chlorine is back, here hydrogen is back, here bromine. This is called as what? Eclipsed form. What is the diagonal angle in between Br? How much, Nana? 240 or minus 120. Both are same. You comes anti-clockwise minus, clockwise plus. 240 or minus 120. Both are same. Okay, na? This is eclipsed form. Again, you rotate 60 degrees. Okay, na? Front carbon. Just I am rotating. How I am rotating, carefully observe. That's all. Front as it is, Nana. Front bromine, chlorine, hydrogen as it is I am keeping. Front side carbon I am not touching. Nothing we are doing with the front carbon. we are keeping as it is. But we are rotating backside carbon only. Here back carbon. How much we are rotating? 60 degree. 60 means here chlorine comes middle. This hydrogen comes middle. Bromine comes middle only. Nana 60 no? 60. That's why again here write this is what here chlorine, here hydrogen, here bromine. Nana bromine dihedral angle how much? 300 or minus 60. So this is called as staggered form only, but especially this is called as Gaussian. Here this is called as a minus Gaussian, M Gaussian. First one is called as this is a P Gaussian. P Gaussian. P means positive angle, positive 60. Your angle is minus 60 no. That's why M Gaussian. Both are same. M Gaussian, P Gaussian. Again you rotate, original compound you will get 360 degrees. Like this rotation about carbon single bond. Rotation about carbon single bond. Different isomers are formed. Those isomers are called as conformations. Nana. Rotation about carbon single bond. Rotation about carbon single bond. Those are called as conformations. Those are called as conformations. Nana. Okay, na? Like this, different conformational isomers are formed. Different conformational isomers are formed. Okay, right. Just keep front as it is. You rotate back. You can fix your wish. Depends upon your condition. Okay, na? Next example. For example, like this. Like this given. How will write conformation? That is a Newman projection, Nana. A rotation about third carbon and the second carbon. C to C3, rotation about this one. Middle is important. Here rotation about this carbon. Now assume one is a front carbon, other one is a back carbon. Assume this is the front carbon, your wish. Assume this is the back side carbon. Front carbon, back. On front carbon, Br is there, methyl group, hydrogen. On back side carbon also bromine, hydrogen, methyl. Same groups are there. Careful ga vinali. Ardhamainda. Now first I am taking front side carbon here. What are the groups here? Methyl, here bromine, here hydrogen, Nana. CH3BRH. Different. Again, here backside carbon. Backside carbon, Nana. Over. Now what are the groups here also same? Here methyl, back to methyl, bromine, back to bromine, hydrogen. You see here bromine, hydrogen eclipsed. Okay, na? Okay. Here, that's why here methyl bromine, same groups are eclipsed. This is called as a fully eclipsed. Different groups are eclipsed, that is partially. Methyl, back methyl does not visible. Backside chlorine does not visible. Hydrogen also not. That's why fully back is fully not visible. That's why fully eclipsed. Okay. Now I'm taking rotation. Carbon, single bond rotation, 60 degree. Keep front side carbon. So methyl acetate nana, I'm not rotating. I'm not changing. Front side groups. Carbon acetate, groups also acetate. Okay na? Jagrata, groups also acetate. You take backside carbon. You take backside carbon. Over. Now, then shifting 60 degrees. Middle. This comes here. Here, this one. Rotation. This one here. That's why here methyl. Here bromine nana. Here hydrogen, 60 degree rotation. Backside only you rotate, not all. Over. Now, what is the methyl dihedral angle? How much? 60. This is called as a P Gaussy. P Gaussy. Gaussy form. Okay na? Rotate. Again 60 degrees. So this comes backside of bromine. Bromine comes backside of hydrogen. Hydrogen comes backside of methyl nana. Front I am keeping as it is. I am not changing the front side. So front as it is here, Br. Here hydrogen. Next, backside carbon. This is backside. What happened? Here methyl back to bromine. Here Br is back. Here hydrogen. Eclipsed only, not similar groups eclipsed. Br is methyl. Br hydrogen. Different. That's why this is called as partially eclipsed. So in this case, here methyl dihedral angle how much nana? 120. Name is partially eclipsed. Name is partially eclipsed. And dihedral angle is 120 nana. Similar way, again you rotate 60 degrees. 60. Now here I am taking front side carbon. What are the groups here? Here bromine, here hydrogen, here methyl. This is front carbon. I am not changing front side carbon orientation. Then what happened here? Backside carbon. Rotation means that this one comes here. Middle, methyl comes here. Br comes here. That's why at middle here, hydrogen. Here, CH3. Here, Br. Now exactly, what is the dihedral angle? Methyl. 180 in an opposite. So this is called as anti-form. Staggered only. In staggered name, anti. Methyl anti, Br anti, hydrogen anti. All are anti. All are exactly opposite direction, Nana. Anti-form. Okay, na? Next again you rotate 60 degree. Front side carbon, Here bromine, here hydrogen, here methyl nana, backside carbon. Now methyl comes backside of hydrogen, backside of methyl, here backside of bromine. Here this is called as a partial eclipse again. Eclipse, different groups are eclipse, that is partial only. And in between methyl dihedral angle how much? 240 or minus 120. This is partial eclipsed form nana name. Next again you rotate 60 degree. Rotate 60 degree. Rotate 60 degree. Okay, tell me. Front side as it is. Here methyl, here Br, here hydrogen. Backside carbon. Where here bromine comes middle, hydrogen middle, methyl middle. Here bromine, here hydrogen, here methyl nana. With respect to methyl we are writing. This is called as M Gaussy, minus Gaussy. So in between methyl, dihedral angle how much? 300 or minus 60? Minus 60. That's why minus is there, M Gaussy. So next again you rotate. Your front side carbon, bromine, here hydrogen, methyl nana. Backside carbon, back. Next what happened here? This bromine comes here, hydrogen comes here, methyl back to methyl. Exactly here, Br, hydrogen, here methyl. Like this, this is called as what? Fully eclipsed, 360 degree. So based on rotation, you are getting different answers, Nana. Okay, na? These are called confirmation. Now among these we can write stability order, stability, here first anti group is anti form is more stable than 180 degree. Gaussy 60 or 300. After that partial eclipsed, how much? 120 to 40 degree తర్వాత వచ్చేది. Then fully eclipsed. Already entrance question is there, Nana. Stability order. Anti more stable than Gaussy. Gaussy more stable than partial. Partial more stable than fully eclipsed. This is the general stability order. General stability order. First anti, Gaussy, partial eclipse. In some cases, exceptions also there. So in which case exception, you can expect hydrogen bonding. Whenever hydrogen bonding is there, different answer. Otherwise, here anti more stable, then Gaussy, then partial, fully. Next, like that I am taking an example. Next example, for example, N-butane I am taking. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3 nana. Okay. Now your rotation about C to C3 carbon. C to C3 rotation. Here rotation. One is front, other one is back. Assume what are the groups here? 2 hydrogen methyl. 2 hydrogen methyl nana. Okay na? Like this also we can write CH3, CH here, H, H here, H here, H nana. Assume this is a front carbon. Assume this is a back carbon. Front carbon back. On front carbon, what are the groups? 2 hydrogen, 1 methyl. Back also 2 hydrogen, 1 methyl nana. Now I am taking first front side carbon. Carefully observe. What are the groups here? Here methyl, H here H nana. Back side carbon. Carefully ga vinandi. Simple. Back side carbon. Circle ante carbon. Circle ante mottam carbon. What are the groups? Methyl. Exactly methyl back to methyl. This hydrogen back to hydrogen. Your hydrogen. This is called as what? Fully eclipsed. Fully eclipsed form nana. Just now rotate about single bond CC. Front carbon, back carbon. Front carbon keep as is. Here front carbon. Hydrogen. Here hydrogen nana. CH3. Front carbon ఏం చేంజ్ చేయదు as is ఉంచండి. Then back side carbon rotation 60 no, you know. 60 means here methyl comes here, hydrogen here, hydrogen here nana. This is called as what? Gaussian form. Now methyl dihedral angle how much? Here 60 degree. Gaussian form. N-butane I am writing. Now again you rotate 60 degree. Nana equip front carbon here. Here methyl, here hydrogen, here hydrogen. Okay na? Now what about the backside carbon? This is back nana. Assume back. Over. Now what about here 60 degree? Now methyl comes here exactly back of hydrogen. Here hydrogen comes back. Here also hydrogen. This is called as what? Partially. Different group eclipse అయితే partial eclipse అనండి. Same groups అయితే fully eclipsed. Partial eclipse nana. What is the dihedral angle in between methyl? ఎంత ఉంటుంది? 120. ఓకేనా? Next year 60 degree. Front side methyl, hydrogen, here hydrogen. What about that here back side carbon nana? Back. Now methyl comes here, this is methyl. And here hydrogen, here hydrogen. This is what? Exactly 180 degree anti. Methyl how much here? 180 dihedral angle. Dihedral angle is 180 nana. 180. Okay na? Next you rotate 60 degree. Front side as is. Here methyl. Next backside carbon you take, backside. What happened here? Methyl is back to hydrogen. Here hydrogen, here hydrogen. This is also called as partial eclipsed. What is that dihedral angle in between methyl, methyl? 240. Again you can rotate 60 degree. Front side carbon as it is. Front side carbon as it is. Okay, na. Back side carbon here. Now here methyl, hydrogen, here hydrogen. This is called as Gaussy, M Gaussy. Methyl, methyl 300. You can rotate original compound, you will get. Like this, different isomers also you will get. Different isomers. Okay, now what about the stability? Again, you have to write stability. Among N-butane stability order, Nana. Stability. First, anti more stable than Gaussy. Gaussy more stable than partial eclipsed. Partial eclipsed than fully eclipsed. So N-butane is given. This is the stability order. Anti more stable than Gaussy, than partial, than full. So here anything is given, you can write a conformation isomer, different forms, but possible infinity number of rotation. But after 60 degree, we are isolating. Okay, da? Answer. N-butane is given like that. Now, for example, ethylene glycol. We discussed already. 2OH are there, glycol, Nana. Assume one is a front side carbon, other one is a back side carbon. Okay, na? Now, directly I am writing front side carbon. What are the groups here? The hydrogen, hydrogen, OH, Nana. Back side carbon, OH, H, here H. This is what? Fully eclipsed. Again, you can rotate anything. I am writing directly on structure. I am not rotating. Different possibility. Here H, OH, Nana. Backside carbon. What about this? This is what? Here 60 degree dihedral angle. This is what? P Gaussy. 60 degree angle. Next one, antiform I am taking. Partial eclipse I will take. Back side. Okay, na? Here OH, here H, here H. This is what? Partial eclipse, Nana. Partial eclipse. Next, here front side OH, H, Nana, H. Different forms I am writing. Then you know backside carbon. So here OH here opposite. So this is what is the structure, Nana? Anti. Like this, these are the four forms. M Gauss also there. M Gauss also there. No problem. Now tell me, these four are there. Four very clear. I am giving four isomers are very clear. Carefully observe. Now tell me, among these, what is the stability order? Among these, what is the stability order, Nana? Fully eclipsed given, Gaussy given, partial eclipsed given, anti given. So you have to write answers. Fully eclipsed, partial, P Gaussy, partial eclipse, anti-form, Nana. What is your answer? Answers. Send me. పంపియండి. ఏది మోర్ స్టేబుల్ పంపించాలి నాకు. యాంటీ 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 ఫుల్లీ ఎక్లిప్స్. అరే ఎక్లిప్స్ ఎప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ కాదురా. ఎక్లిప్స్ అనేది ఆన్సరే కాదు. యాంటీ 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 ఫుల్లీ ఎక్లిప్స్. మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు చెప్తా ఉన్నా, ఫులిష్ గా రాయొద్దు. యాంటీబయాటిక్సా వాడుకోనా, కరోనాకు ఉపయోగపడతాయి. యాంటీ ఆంటీ కాదురా నాన్న, యాంటీరా. యాంటీ. నైస్. సో అలా రైటింగ్ యాంటీ గౌసి, రైట్, కరెక్ట్. అలా రాయాలి, గౌసి యాంటీ ఇట్లా రాస్తే కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఉంటది. సో అందరూ చాలా మంది రాసినటువంటి దాంట్లో మాక్సిమం యాంటీ మోర్ స్టేబుల్ రాశారు. వెరీ గుడ్. ఇక వినండి వినండి, ఇక అవసరం లేదు, నేను చెప్తా. మీరు అనుకున్నట్టు జనరల్ గా అయితే యాంటీ మోర్ స్టేబుల్ అవ్వాలి, బట్ స్టెబిలిటీ ఇయర్ గౌసి, తర్వాత యాంటీ, తర్వాత పార్షియల్ ఎక్లిప్స్డ్, ఆ తర్వాత ఫుల్లీ ఎక్లిప్స్డ్. ఎక్లిప్స్ ఎప్పుడు స్టేబుల్ కాదు నాన్న, ఏదైనా కానీ ఎక్లిప్స్ స్టేబుల్ కాదు. ఎందుకని గౌసి మోర్ స్టేబుల్? ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ. ఎందుకురా? ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ OH ఏముంటది? హైడ్రోజన్ బాండ్. In between OH hydrogen bond is there. So that is the reason here Gaussy. I told you exceptional case here. మనకి ఇవే క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్కువగా ర్యాంక్ డిసైడింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇవి. ర్యాంక్ డిసైడింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇవి. జనరల్ గా అందరము యాంటీ ఉంది కదా సార్, జనరల్ గా అది యాంటీ చదువుకొని పోతాం, కానీ అన్ని కేసులలో యాంటీ కరెక్ట్ కాదు నాన్న. ఎలాంటి కేసులలో ఇవి అన్ని పాసిబిలిటీ అంటే, ఎక్కడైతే కార్బన్ కార్బన్ ఇస్ దేర్, one group is OH, other group is X. జాగ్రత్త వినాలి, ఓకేనా? అజ్యూమ్ one is a front, other one is back. C, X, H, 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 OH, Nana. I am taking this is as front. I am taking this is as back. Okay. So what are the possibilities? I am not rotating. Directly I will write the structure. First fully eclipsed Nana, front side carbon. OH. OH is there, Nana. Back side carbon. Back side lo kuda evaru unnaru? X undi. Exactly, X is back to X. OH and here H. X is back to OH. దీన్ని ఏమందాం మనం? ఫుల్లీ ఎక్లిప్స్డ్ రా. ఇంకో ఫామ్ గౌసి రాద్దాం. ఎలా వస్తున్నాయో మీకు ఆల్రెడీ తెలుసు. డైరెక్ట్లీ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ గౌసి అంటే ఏంది, యాంటీ అంటే ఏంది అని. సో హియర్ బ్యాక్ సైడ్ కార్బన్ నానా, హియర్ X group, here hydrogen, here hydrogen. This is what? Gaussian form, Nana. Gaussian form. Again, partial. OH, H here. Backside carbon ra. Here X group, here H group, here H. This is what? Partial eclipse, Nana. Last one. Here H, here H, here OH ra. Okay na? Now backside carbon like this. Backside. Now what are the groups here? I can write X group here, hydrogen, Nana, hydrogen. Mari case lo here X I am taking as, remember, again one more OH or NH2, NHR, OCH3, fluoro group, chloro group, bromo group. These are any one. X may be edaina kavachu. One is OH. Nana, idu OH. OH. X value idu edaina kavachu. X lo these all are possible. ఏవైనా కానివ్వండి X. ఓకేనా? చెప్పండి ఆన్సర్. మరి వాట్ అబౌట్ ద స్టెబిలిటీ ఆర్డర్ నానా? స్టెబిలిటీ ఆర్డర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారా నాకు? ఆన్సర్. ఇప్పుడు ఇచ్చిన XOH లో ఏది మోర్ స్టేబుల్? గౌసి. గౌసి ఎందుకురా? వాట్ ఇస్ ద రీజన్? What is the reason? Right, hydrogen bonding, correct. Right. So ikkada ichina group lo batti emaidi, in between OH and X what happened? Hydrogen bond is there. X ki OH ee group le unna ever OH gaani NH2 these A groups unna X place lo avanni hydrogen bond untayi. అన్నిట్లో hydrogen bond untadi. Hydrogen bond undi gaani ippudu ever more stable nana? గౌసి. ఆ తర్వాతనే యాంటీ. దీస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ఎక్సెప్షనల్ కేస్. పార్షియల్ ఎక్లిప్స్డ్, ఫుల్లీ ఎక్లిప్స్డ్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద స్టెబిలిటీ ఆర్డర్. ఓకేనా? స్టెబిలిటీ ఆర్డర్ రిమెంబర్. ఓకేనా? Right. Now one more compound here, NH2, CH2, CH2, NH2 nana. Rotation about carbon carbon single bond. Rotation about carbon carbon single bond ra. చెప్తారా? Now I am taking front side carbon here. What are the group? Here NH2 group, hydrogen, hydrogen. back side exactly here NH2 hydrogen fully eclipsed nana. Next one more structure I am writing. Backside carbon. This is called as what nana? Gaussiform. One more structure I am writing. Here what is there here? NH2. NH2. Backside here NH2. This is what nana? Partially eclipsed. Partially eclipsed. Next hydrogen, here what? NH2 nana. Backside carbon, here NH2, here NH2, NH2. This is what? Antiform nana. Antiform. So like this here we can write different form. మరి ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్ ఎవరు? మీకు ఇంత ముందు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసిన in between NH2 also what is there? Hydrogen bond. NH2 also hydrogen bond. Therefore what about the stability order? Again here also Gaussy greater than anti greater than partial eclipsed, then fully eclipsed nana. Like this different conformations are there. Different conformation we can write nana. Now I will write one example. మీరందరు దీనికి డ్రా చేసి పంపండి, స్టెబిలిటీ ఆర్డర్ రాయండి. డ్రా చేయాలి, స్టెబిలిటీ ఆర్డర్స్ పంపాలి నాకు. ఓకేనా? రైట్, గుడ్, మీరు పంపిస్తారు అనుకుంటా.